Hey, so check it out. Here's a WM Crooks locomotive I've been working on for a while. It's a short stack version. I got it from eBay and it had some damage to the cab. And this is a version, I guess, that came around around 1970. It was a special order for Sears. Sears wanted a certain price point, so Marx obliged them. There weren't any handrails and the front trucks were missing, which kind of made it look ridiculous. And I know a lot of guys hated them. But since I had some damage anyway, I thought it'd be fun to kind of dress it up a little bit. So I took a gold paint pen and touched up some of the trim. And I also got a set of handrails from Jim Fleener from Robert Grossman. And also I put a 19-volt LED in the headlight. And I took a yellow Sharpie and an orange Sharpie just to kind of cut down the glare to make it look more like an oil lantern that would have been on there. And I found some images online of Jupiter, which I thought was kind of neat. So I made those decals and printed them out on water slide decal paper. I used Print Shop Pro. And the tender was damaged as well. This isn't the tender that was originally to the locomotive. But I repaired it. It was cracked up in here. And then I thought I'd paint the wood load. I want to call it a coal load. It's not, it's wood. And I used some brown and some beige and a little bit of white just to make it look more like wood. And so I thought we'd take it for a spin. So we'll check it out. And the reverse unit, that cycles as it should. Good running little Crooks locomotive. Try to turn the camera a little bit so you can get a better look at the headlight. Go it this way. Well, the next time around, I'll pick the camera up and we'll follow it around a little bit. I also put a little piece of clear plastic in the headlight. Put the camera down. Alright, it runs great. It's got a new pair of motor brushes, something I always try to do when I buy a new locomotive. And it just looks really nice. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.